We're pleased you have chosen AT&T for your new service. To provide a smooth and quality installation in just a single visit from our technician, this video will walk you through the 4 critical steps you need to take to be ready. First, you want to confirm that all necessary AT&T equipment is there at the installation site for the technician. Sometimes it ships to a different site or a centralized site if multiple locations are involved, so this is important. You will have received a digital notification containing all equipment order numbers and associated UPS shipping number. On the day of installation, each piece of equipment needs to be at the site where it will be installed. If any piece of equipment is missing or you have questions, please contact the AT&T delivery team. Next, review the power and rack requirements for the equipment to confirm there is the minimum adequate power available AC or DC with proper grounding within 6 feet of where the equipment is to be installed. Also, confirm that there is sufficient space in a suitable rack or on a fire-rated 3/4 plywood backboard. You can pause here to note these requirements for future reference. Again, if you have questions, your AT&T delivery team can provide the answers. Third, an access data circuit should have been or will be installed associated with your new AT&T service. Ideally, it will be terminated in the same equipment room or closet where the AT&T service will be. If not, please pause here and review the basic inside wiring conditions. If you meet the wiring conditions, an AT&T technician will take care of the wiring as a part of the installation. If not, please contact your AT&T delivery team for further guidance to extend the circuit from the local telco's demarcation point to the place where the new AT&T equipment will be installed. For more information about inside wiring, it can be found on Business Care Central's webpage. The preferred option is to use a wireless modem with an AT&T provided SIM card. AT&T requires an out-of-band connection to ensure 24/7 access to the router to immediately identify and resolve connectivity issues that may arise with the circuit or hardware. Before ordering your service, you will have performed a signal strength test to ensure that this option can be used. If not, then a customer-provided broadband or customer-provided POTS line may be needed. The technician can turn up your service without out-of-band connection, but AT&T cannot guarantee service issues will be immediately addressed without it. Finally, it is critical that on the day of installation, our field technician has access to the room where the service will be installed as well as the AT&T equipment that you've received. If in a separate location, the technician will also need access to the local telco's point of demarcation. It is imperative that we receive the name and telephone number of the person who will be providing admittance to the technician so we can coordinate. If our work will be done in a restricted area, we'll need the contact information for whomever will be escorting our technician. In addition, if there are safety or other requirements specific to the work location or anything that has changed since our initial discussions with you, please contact your AT&T delivery team before the technician is dispatched to your site. If the technician is unable to complete basic inside wiring due to it being a complex job, you may be required to complete wiring with your own resources. Most common cases include extension of fiber circuits. You can consult the situation with your AT&T sales team who can offer the best solution or even suggest vendors within AT&T. Once the complex inside work is completed, an AT&T technician will come back to the site to complete all necessary testing to activate the service. Once AT&T is ready for test and turn up, your service delivery rep will be contacting you to review all test and turn up requirements again. This is to make sure that we or you did not miss any important information related to your site readiness. We strongly recommend that you have this call with your service delivery rep to clarify all questions you might have, especially if your site is a data center or requires special attention due to technical infrastructure or access security conditions. With your attention to these 4 pre-installed tasks, we'll have a smooth installation of your new service. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.